Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Connect with Kavya. Today I am going to be showing you guys how you can make your own YouTube channel. For making your own YouTube channel, you obviously need some particular things that your mother's, father's or anybody's mobile number that you will have to use if you forget your password, and we recommend it to you, and a Gmail account. So I'm going to be showing you how you can use a Gmail account. All you have to do is go to this Chrome tab over here. Let me just show you via the cursor here, and you need to create a Google account, or else you can also go to this tab, because I'm going to be giving the link down below in the description box. So what you have to do, you have to write your first name, this one, your last name, your username, your password, and you have to confirm. And if you have a specially personal account, I'm going to be showing you what you can do. All you have to do is go here and open the next tab, open YouTube. Via my YouTube has opened, and obviously I'm going to click in sign in, but sorry, because of some problems I cannot be showing you this. So here it will say sign in to continue to YouTube, and obviously whatever username or whatever you have given for your Gmail account, you need to write it down. My one is Fun with Kavya. Yep, this one, and next. So what I'm going to be doing is that I'm again going to be opening YouTube. It's an easier way. I'm going to be showing you. Click on sign in. Or go over here. As I'm going to be also showing you how you can create your own Google account via over here also, because I know you might not understand everything. So I'm going to be showing you first name, fill it up. It has to be Fun. And the last name has to be Fun Kavya. Just a normal, very weird name, because what else do you need? You just need to make a normal Kavya F074, and obviously I can show you the password, but I'm going to be writing down the password. So the password can't be shown, so obviously I'm going to be using it. So obviously the password is really very important, can't be shown. As you can see, I have given everything, the password is done, and here it will say Fun, welcome to Google, and here they will give you a phone number, that is optional, a recovery email optional, month, day and year. So obviously my month is gonna be January, my day is gonna be just any kind you can write, and obviously under your gender you can select your own, and here it will say privacy and terms, data we process and whatever, and all you have to do, you can read this, and I'm just going to click on I agree right over here, and it will take you to a new tab where you can have created your Fun with Kavya. And what you need to do is that you need to go to YouTube over here. Now you have to click on sign in right over here. This tab, it's going to open another tab for you, and if you didn't make it, then obviously I have made it. That's why it just straight away took me to this place right here. Let me just show you over here, Fun with Kavya, and all I have to do is click on this bar over here, click on create a channel. Your creator journey begins here, and they'll say many things. And here what you can do is choose how you want to create your channel. So obviously you can give your name, that is my name is Fun with Kavya, Fun Kavya, and you can to use your whatever name you have right here, or you can make your own personalized custom name. So obviously I'm going to be going with my custom name, and my custom name will be, first you need to click on the agree and then just start writing on Fun with Kavya and click on create. And after clicking on create, you will obviously be open, they will take you to your own channels tab, that is this one. Nice work, your channel Fun with Kavya has been created. And obviously what you need to do, some tips are that don't just give F, because my name starts with Fun with Kavya, that's why it's showing F. Please don't do that, because that is not at all attractive and looking. And usually when we want to see a video, what we do, we see that which one looks the best and we go and check that video out. So here what you have to do, below, just write below over here, it says tell viewers about your channel. That means your description, whatever description you have, like in this video, because I'm just showing you guys, I'm going to be writing demo, okay, demo. And add links to your site, obviously. So links are that if you have created your own channel via Facebook, like the one, like you have to go to Facebook and create a Facebook account, that I am also going to be showing you in the next video, Facebook, and create your own Fun with Kavya Facebook. Then you can add your social link, go to your Facebook and just open it and just add the link down here. And you can also give your own URL for your channel, Twitter, and etc. And obviously I have not created any for this one because it's just a demo I'm showing you guys. You can create these and just start up, and you can also not use these because it's like up to you. So I'm going to be setting this up later. I don't want to leave this side, so I think I need to go and click here, down here, save and continue. As you can see, I've got my Fun with Kavya customized channel, YouTube Studio, and now you might have a question going on, what is YouTube Studio? YouTube Studio is a specially made website / app where they show you how many subscribers have grown till the days you have, which is the most popular one, what are the comments, most recent comment, and everything about your channel. So first, I'm always going to be showing you how you can decorate this. I'm going to be giving the link down below. What to do is that all you need to do is click over here, just right over here, edit, and obviously the profile photo can be changed and everything like that. So what you need to do, I'm just gonna be telling it to you, not showing you guys, because or else it will make a problem for you guys and the video will become more bigger and bigger, so that will not be a good thing. So what you need to do, obviously you need to click on the customize channel here, this one, you'll get this, and click on customize channel, and out here what you can see is that your here you can give your logo for your special made channel, or you can give anything you want. Actually it's a picture wise you have to give, that everybody will see when they go to your normal channel and they want to see what videos you have made. They will see that your logo is dash this or whatever you are going to be adding. And channel art is also like a background photo for your channel, just to make it look attractive. They give you, and I probably I'm going to be telling you to get your logo to fit right over here in your this profile, because that will look good. And the channel art, you can give anything you want actually, and they have special pixels via, you can just go in Paint, just take your photo and just paste it and make it however size you want it to be. Uploads, you can just upload and you can like make a lot of channel, like if you want to make your own niche. So what you can do is that you have to go and click here, add a section, And obviously you can make any kind, like start with live now, uploads, and like everybody makes like go here, click on popular uploads or live. Okay, I'm going to be going here popular uploads. Okay, and done. So obviously my uploads will be looking like this, some kind of that whenever the person will go, what you can do, you want to make your first of all gaming channel, etc. channels. So what you can do, you have to just make add sections, keep on adding sections however you want them to be. You get this popular uploads, live now, upcoming live streams, past live streams, and playlist and everything. You just have to use playlists. What is playlists? Playlists are that what happens is that when you are gaming, you are most probably, your niche of the video is gaming, means your specialty of the video is gaming. So what you have to do, you have to just create your own playlist right over here, the created playlist or whatever playlist you want. Write your name about that game or whatever. Let me just create a playlist. As you can see, you can just keep on adding your own playlists. See, playlist by Fun with Kavya, and like this you can create how many playlists you want, so that the people who come to your channel will be able to know that if they want to see like how to do tips or whatever, and you might be more good with tech and with hobby or lifestyle or whatever you want to do. You can vlog, you can make your gaming channel, you can just make like tips and everything. So what you have to do is go to the playlists and make each and every playlist. Think you are making, have made 10 videos, all of are different. So what you need to do, you need to make 3 playlists if you are doing vlog, gaming and lifestyle. So you need to make 3 playlists, and you will just be giving doing like this, and everybody will be able to see if they want to do the see your vlogs, see your lifestyles or your gaming or whatever they want to see from your channel. This is what I'm going to be telling you, how to make your own channel. You can just make your own logo and everything. I'm going to be giving a link down below how you can make your free own logo, a low resolution, obviously a low resolution, don't mind. And obviously I'm going to be showing it to you guys so that you just know how to make it. So its name is free logo design.org. So here you go, it will take you to your logo maker, creator, and it's actually a very good app. You can get so many different types, and you need to write your name. I'm writing Fun. Just showing you for an example, a small thing that is fun. You go here, I might be liking this, so I click here on this design. They take me to how you have on Paint, the whole blank workspace where you can just decorate it however you want, make it your own logo. And obviously we don't want this, we want it to be our own. So what you have to do, you have to go here, click on kitchen, go here. As you can see, you also will be getting this over here, and go and write. I'm writing just fun, just for you all guys to know how you can decorate it. And as I've written fun over here, it is fun over here. And obviously my logo, my background should be some kind of weird thing actually, because most probably. So I'm going to be doing 1, 2, 3, 4. Just to show you guys how you can make. You can even add your own logo out here, there is no problem. You can add your own logo, you can add text to your own personalized logo, shape, icon and everything, and you can even make your own, totally own, by using these. So whenever you want, like you can just click on add shape and take your shape, and then add your text and do whatever you want actually, and you can add your own icon. So this is how you can make this, and obviously I'm going to be providing all the links down below in the description box for you all guys to go and create your own YouTube channel. And if you guys are new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.